The class is awesome. It is constant learning, constant moving. So even though sometimes it's a whole day, but you never feel like it's a long day. Everything is just go, 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 and it makes it very fast, very easy, and really good training day. Other companies, I've researched them and I've been wanting to go out them, but they're asking for money, they're asking for a lot of charges, which here, you get your money back, you're out here, you're getting a ton of training, and the best part about it is you're a representative. They're always there just checking up on you and asking. So my big thing about going into this is I'm a very busy contractor. I don't have the time to do the research, to do all the mixing. I know that with Concrete Protector, I can just give them a phone call and say, hey, this is what I want to do for this particular project. And I feel like they'll know exactly what I need and get it to me. And that's the best part about Concrete Protector.